Have you faced Call of Duty lagging and FPS drop issues on your iPhone? If your answer is yes, don't worry. Here's the advanced solution. By following this, you can solve the lagging and FPS drop problems on Call of Duty game. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you have high-speed internet connection. For a better gaming experience, you can switch your internet connection from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Try our easy solutions below. Solution 1. Adjust graphics settings on Call of Duty. Open the Call of Duty game. After coming to the lobby, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And now tap on Audio and Graphics. Then select Low or Medium for your graphics quality. And select the frame rate, Medium from High, if you're using low or medium settings. And select the frame rate, Medium from High, if you're using low or medium settings. Scroll down. On the multiplayer section, turn off the particular option all of the time. After that, play the game and check whether your issue is resolved or not. If you still find this issue, then try this advanced solution below. Solution 2. Enable the started shader preload. Open the Call of Duty game. After coming to the lobby, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And now tap on Audio and Graphics. Scroll down. In the shader preload section, tap on the Start Shader Preload. Before doing this, let me assure you that it will take some time to complete this process. Then tap on Start. After completing this process, close the All page and run your game and check the differences. If you are still having issues, then try this last solution below. Solution 3. Check whether you have enough space to save photos and videos. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage and check whether you have enough storage or not. If you find that it's almost full, then try to free up some storage. Delete some unnecessary apps, images, or high-resolution videos. After that, give a simple restart to your phone and check your problem. Hopefully it's solved. Solution 4. Remove unnecessary cache and cookies for the game. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, tap Call of Duty, tap Offload, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. So, this is how you can solve this lag and FPS drop issue on the Call of Duty game. But still, if you're having issues, then please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.